Welcome to this playlist. In this playlist, we'll be creating this staircase, circular staircase with landings. And what we are going to cover in this playlist, let me pause this for a second. We'll create how this staircase can be organized around these circles. We define the lines that we are defining as our stair lengths. We are going to define landing limits, landing sizes, everything and all in parametrically. So if I make this 3.5 meters, 2.5 meters, sorry, it's going to be 2.5 meters. It's going to take a time to obviously execute this. But then if we have, like, let's say landing limits 12, then we will have landing on each 12 steps and so forth. So landing size, how many stairs we are eating from our normal staircase organization. And all these parameters are being explained alongside with these details, like small details such as thickness of the staircase, like the structural elements of the railings, lateral elements of the railings, and so on and so forth. So I hope you enjoy this playlist and stay tuned for the next playlist in which we'll cover more architectural elements, and have a nice day.